Trainer time beats Magnolia, 119, 105 are clear on the game and centers. And are also joined by Coach Yao. Trainer time. Gentlemen, congratulations. Coach, I'll start with you. Lahat ng pinasok ng player, Coach, made at least 1 3-point shot. If you could just share with us yung mga nabanggit or nasabi mo sa kanila, pinag-nilay-nilayan nila the past 10 days, lalo na number 1 game sa offense pero ang baba ng first edition.
Yes, challenge talaga na face naman namin wala pa silang talo. So, we're just hoping na sobrang ganda nila maka araw makalasan sila. Makapagsatan mo sa araw na kalaban natin. Mabuti na lang medyo gano'n na medyo inaala sila. Tapos maganda yung shooting namin as you said. We were making our 3-point shots. And we were also able to play at our own pace. So namin yung pace namin na I think we were able to control the transition game. Marami na yung positive points. Mas mabilis yung pace ng laro. Tapos maganda yung ball movement namin. Maganda assist. Tsaka nagtulong-tulong lang. Ang sabi mo nga, with our rotation, I think everybody was able to score and contribute offensively. But much more so defensively because kaya nanalo yung Magnolia balancing yung tanong nila. Defensa nila, pero kanina medyo mabaha na yung efficiency. So both offense namin, defense namin kumana. May araw din talaga, sobrang ganda na nung nilalaro nila, may araw na pangalasin. Buti na lang, nakakasama.
Thank you, Coach. Santi, so far this conference mo average na 18.6 points, shooting 47.8%. Ano ang pinagtandaan ng confidence na knowing all Filipino is an opportunity for you as a big man to thrive?
Actually, before practice nag-exam nila, pinagtrabawan ko yung shooting ko sa yun, sa practice naman, doon lagi yung intensity namin lagi. Kasi para masanay yung isa yung offensive rebound, malaking makakita yung isa.
Sabi ni Coach Tito Cortez na yung mga kanalo sa kanila nag-sister out na kayo, tataas yung confidence nila. Is puro niya lang tataas yung
Natural yun, normal naman yun. Basta nanalo ka kahit saan klaseng panalo, tataas yung So, it's also something na nahabol pa namin yung 6 wins. Yung 6 wins para at least makasigurado na nasa second round na ito sa quarterfinals. I think 4-2 right now. So, dalawang panalo na lang. Hindi ko yung motivation namin sa 6 wins. And may mabigat pa kami yung laro pero Wednesday na but mostly medyo na-kompleto natin yung lineup natin. Yung mga picks natin, nandiyan, maganda nila ni Kim, maganda nila ni Jake, kahit na si Jake was not really able to practice for the most part the last week kasi medyo may full hamstring siya at sabi niya na kaya nila rin Jake, namin na rin namin. Si Kaylan hindi na nakabalik, medyo na-tweak yung ankle niya. So, yun ang importante. We're just hoping that we can stay healthy. Pag healthy kami, medyo maganda lang.
Santi, Coach, yan medyo na hubo na kayo eh. Pero may part na wala si Bo, wala si Tato, so
kaya tawag na ayaw ko okay na siya.
Kasi po, parang may salamin ata siya ng warta or cheese. In relation ba yun sa
Ganun talaga, pagka tumatanda ka lang, sigurado na yata yung, pero protection lang. Protection lang. Pang ano reading class ata.
What's Wednesday, TNT, they're on a road training ministry. Kaso nga lang, si Ray out 46 weeks, so may chance na rin ba maximize yung absence niya.
Well, it's a big break for us. Alam na natin, wala na nga si Jason. Tapos, alam nila nila sa championship. Tapos, pero sa lahat ng team, nangyayari. You just have to be ready. Kung matapat sa'yo, you get a break. Pero kung matapat naman sa'yo yung injury, ikaw ang nandang yung injury, kasama din talaga sa akin sa lalo yun. So, it evens out in the long run.